Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a city in the United Kingdom, having a population of about 540,000 people. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Bradford, 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 Bradford. Bradford is known for its rich industrial heritage and diverse communities. It has a vibrant cultural scene, including the National Science and Media Museum and an array of historic architecture. Bradford was also awarded the title of City of Film by UNESCO. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Bradford, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.